What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30. Check out all the links in the description. Thousands of dollars of free crypto down there, along with signals, COINCALLS, TA, alpha, and memes in our private Discord. Accessed by signing up to the Patreon. You can also sign up to our brand new Udemy course for serious investors, where we've just released our Basics of Technical Analysis course. Make sure to watch till the end for short and long-term price predictions. That's where the good stuff is. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So we're just taking a look at Terra Luna here, and as we can see, on the macro time scale, obviously, very nice higher highs and higher lows being made, just trending to the upside, pretty much up and to the right for the most part. You can see, basically it's been doing extremely well, hasn't it, ever since we had that big market crash last year. It come down to around $4, and then obviously come up, made that 25x all the way up to $100 here. Obviously this being a huge resistance on the charts, $100. It was quite clear there was always going to be a rollover in this region. And you can see since that we've hit $100, we've actually had a very decent correction of around, 55-60% almost for Luna, coming down and sweeping this low here at the 141 extension of the Fibonacci. You could see it was making a very nice, higher highs and higher lows like this. But obviously we kind of rolled over here, potentially formed a kind of, head and shoulders formation like this, where you've got your shoulder, your head, and then your shoulder with your neckline down here. But you can see it never really came to fruition. The shoulders were, not necessarily aligned that much. And we think Luna being such a bullish protocol as it is, it didn't really get, too smashed down by the recent market correction, to be honest. You can see for Luna, the market correction started from around 10th of November for Bitcoin, which was here. And since then, we did actually come up another, 50% in gains before having a rollover, didn't we? So interesting to see what's been happening. Obviously, you can see it on the chart now, forming up potentially that bump and run pattern we've been talking about for a lot of altcoins, that 1, 2, 3 points of resistance. We get the capitulation, consolidation, and if we come back up here, retest this resistance, which is now here at around, what is this, a 67-70 cent, 06, the 161 extension of the Fibonacci, along with the resistance that we're downtrending under here. You can see the precursor to coming up and testing this is the RSI, 1, 2 points of resistance. And you can see here we're actually breaking out of our RSI here back to fair value. Still stuck under our EMAs though, but looking like hopefully we could come back up towards this 161 extension pretty soon at around $67 there. Do something like this. And then hopefully, if the market is looking pretty bullish, we could see Luna coming up, breaking out, back testing this level, and then starting to get back up towards that all-time high over the next month or so, provided that, the whole market plays ball. We've obviously seen Bitcoin doing pretty well over the past week or so, and hopefully, long may that continue for the altcoins. So not that much to say about Luna other than that it looks like it's pretty much just picking up off that low, isn't it? Consolidating, ready for that next move. And overall, it looks like the worst may be over for Luna if we can see Bitcoin continuing to head up. So before we do short-term price predictions, as always, we'd love to direct your attention to the free Discord in the description. Go down there and sign up. You will not regret it. We're posting all kinds of content in there on a daily basis. Absolutely amazing community, constantly posting all kinds of alpha. Really quality community. Totally free to sign up, so go down there, check it out. And if you do want to get a bit more of an edge on the market, you can sign up to our Patreon, also link in the description, where you'll get access to the private part of the Discord. We're posting in there daily Bitcoin signals for all kinds of cryptos. We're also posting our maxi moves, where we talk about our own personal moves in the market, what we're doing pretty much, so you can get an idea of what we might be getting up to. We've also got alpha in there for 100x opportunities, which is amazing to see as well. So if you do want to sign up, go down there, join the Patreon, and become a crypto maximalist today. And we finally launched our Udemy course, which is now available. Also a link in the description. So if you do want to get, learn a bit more about basics of technical analysis, so many people have asked us about this, go down there and check it out. If you sign up to the course, you'll get the basics of technical analysis course included as standard to begin with. And we'll also be posting weekly videos about market psychology and also about crypto gems, deep dives into some cryptos, but basically doing ratings of cryptos that we think are going to be, high potential in the future. So please go sign up, Check all the content out in the description. There's absolutely a ton of it. Just follow this arrow right here. See this arrow? Follow it down like this. Head down into the description. Check it out. We really do think that you won't regret it. So short-term price predictions then for Luna. Very simply, if we're heading down, back down to this support here at $53, we do think would be a decent support for a bounce like this. If we got a bit more of a rollover, we do think that W double bottom at the 141 would be absolutely ideal. We could come down, get the bullish divergence and the pickup. Break the resistance, which will be around $60 by then. And then, you know, we want to be heading up. If we're heading up towards the 161 here, up at around that $66 level like this, and then continuing to the upside, that would be absolutely amazing to see. Beyond that, obviously, we want to be heading back up towards that $100 level. And then, you know, we've got this nice 227 extension at around $200 for Luna. By the end of this year, we don't think that's unlikely if the market does play ball, so. That's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos we post every single day. Make sure to join the Patreon or YouTube membership to support us, as well as getting a ton of benefits. Crypto maximalists will get access to daily signals, coin calls, alpha on new projects, 10x potential cryptos, and insight into our own personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes you beyond, giving you a look at our personal portfolio, super low cap gems, 100x potential portfolio, and constant access to us personally as a resource. We're constantly in the Discord posting daily and chatting with members, and we'll be hosting giveaways soon, so come and join a community rich with value and content. If you're serious about your education, you can also sign up to our newly launched Udemy course, which comes as standard with the Basics of Technical Analysis 10-part course, which details an overview of everything we do on this channel regarding chart theory, with examples and demonstrations. We'll also be adding multiple times per week to 2 other courses on our Udemy, which will be the Market Psychologist and Strategies and Crypto Deep Dives and Ratings courses. These will be continuously updated into the future to provide value to the most dedicated in the community to knowledge and learning. We're getting continuous questions regarding technical analysis, particular cryptocurrencies, and for advice in certain market conditions, and you'll find the answers to these questions in the Udemy ongoing into the future. This community will be full of the highest quality individuals, and is going to be an extremely valuable place to be in our opinion. If you want to sign up, the link is in the description. Remember, you can also join the public section of the Discord too, where we post news, technical analysis, updates on the markets, larger cap gems, and the occasional meme. There's absolutely no reason not to get involved with all that value. Links are in the description for everything we've mentioned here. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.